measures again and use the crescendo.
Okay.
But the crescendo is a relative term. It means each note is a very tiny bit louder than the note before, just a tiny bit. And the crescendo doesn't happen in the left hand, it just happens in the right hand. That was good. Okay. So I think that just a little more crescendo towards the last two notes of the measure so that it can impend da, ta. Come back. Start with nothing again. Now more, and then that's the idea. And that can be almost inaudible. Because remember, you're starting pianissimo and a crescendo to something. Now it's not shining enough. Can it shimmer more? The surface shimmers of the sound. More sunlight reflecting off the surface.
So these now are the background, right?
Yes.
So the right and left hand.
It's all background. And the notes that are not background don't come in a special order. They just come in idly. You decide to drop little pebbles into them and stay on the keys a little longer. Yes. And they just want a little more of a crescendo towards the end of that. Can you hear how that's beginning to start being shaped?